Imagine a world where computers don't just store information, but actually understand it. Where AI can connect concepts the same way your brain does, and where finding answers feels less like searching a database and more like talking to a well-informed friend. That world is powered by knowledge graphs, the hidden engine behind intelligent search, chatbots, recommendation systems, and even your favorite AI assistants. But what exactly are knowledge graphs? How do they work? And why is every major AI company, from Google to Amazon to OpenAI, building on them? Today, you and I are going to unpack the entire story. What are knowledge graphs really? A knowledge graph is a network of facts where each fact has meaning, context, and relationships. Instead of storing information like person, Marie Curie, profession, scientist, achievement, Nobel Prize. A knowledge graph stores it like a web of connected relationships. Marie Curie won Nobel Prize. Marie Curie studied radioactivity. It's not just data, it's connected knowledge. Explain like I'm 5 version. If a database is a spreadsheet, a knowledge graph is a mind map. Why knowledge graphs matter? Knowledge graphs give AI the context it desperately needs. Without them, AI knows facts. With them, AI understands relationships. Examples people use every day. Google search. When you search Leonardo da Vinci, Google shows his portrait, his birth year, his artworks, related personalities. That's a knowledge graph in action. Netflix recommendations. Because you watched this. Those connections are represented as a graph of relationships between users, shows, genres, themes, behavior patterns. ChatGPT and LLMs. Modern LLMs implicitly learn graph structures from text. Some companies explicitly connect LLM reasoning with knowledge graphs to improve consistency and reduce hallucinations. Technical deep dive. Graph structure. A knowledge graph contains nodes, entities like people, places, objects, concepts. Edges, relationships like works at, born in, created by. Properties, additional context like age, dates, ratings. RDF and triples. The foundational building block is the triple: subject, predicate, object. Example: Paris is capital of France. This makes data machine-readable and logically consistent. Sparkle querying. Sparkle is the query language for knowledge graphs. Example query: find all scientists who won a Nobel Prize after 1900. This shows how flexible and precise KGs can be. Schema versus ontology. Schema is structure. Ontology is structure plus meaning. An ontology tells the graph, person is a type of entity. City is a type of location. Birthplace must connect person to city. Real-world practical use cases. AI assistants. Knowledge graphs allow assistants to answer multi-step questions like, which Nobel Prize winners in physics were born in Europe? Fraud detection. Banks map out networks of accounts, money flows, devices, locations, behavior patterns. Graph. AI spots suspicious patterns instantly. Healthcare. Connecting. symptoms, diseases, medications, treatments, research papers. Helps diagnose faster and recommend better treatments. Supply chains. A graph can show how a delay in one factory affects hundreds of products. LLM augmentation. Companies enhance LLMs by letting them consult a knowledge graph for facts, boosting accuracy, consistency, explainability. The future of knowledge graphs. Fusion of knowledge graphs and large language models. This will solve major AI problems: hallucinations, lack of grounding, unreliable memory, poor reasoning on facts. LLMs will create new knowledge, and graphs will validate it. Self-updating knowledge graphs. AI that builds its own knowledge graph as it learns, like a second brain. Graph-based AGI reasoning. Advanced reasoning means connecting concepts. That's exactly what graphs excel at. Knowledge graphs are more than data structures. They are how AI builds understanding. As we move into a world where machines learn, reason, and interact like humans, knowledge graphs will be the foundation. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more videos exploring how AI thinks, learns, and solves problems, subscribe, like, and stay curious, because the future is built by those who understand it.